Hello, leaders of tomorrow. Back at you with another video. So we're on the move always, and my goal is to just keep giving you advice. Um, so what we want to talk about is the benefit of having a commercial property over private property or just a personal property. You know, your personal, your private home. And I'm going to give you a scenario that you can actually do and see a lot of benefit from, like how the rich do. So let's say you're gonna go buy a property, right? And let's say you're married with kids, but you want to make that income, you want to make that extra income. There's several benefits to why you should buy a multi-home family instead of just a one family house. One, the first benefit is you can rent out the additional floors and you make an income off of it, right? Plus, you're living on one floor, which that income coming in helps to pay off the mortgage that has been set by the bank when you purchase the property. You can't do this with a one-family property, but if you have a two-family property or three-family property, you can rent out those other floors and get the income. Second, there's a tax benefit. Not only do you get to write off the property tax and say how a person with a one family can do, but you have what is called a Schedule E, where now you can write off all of the expenses like you would do a small business or an LLC or an S Corp. You can't do that with a one family, but if you do that with a commercial property where you have floors rented out, you can now claim the expenses on there. So let's say you, your wife, your husband, you guys make over $100,000. Let's say you paid a certain amount of taxes. Let's say you paid $20,000 in federal tax, right? But then now you have commercial property, and during the year, even though you made some income, you had a lot of losses due to plumbing, electrical, just the everyday bills of the property. When you go to file your 1040, you can actually add the Schedule E to your tax return and claim all of those losses, which now, if you pay, let's say you pay $20,000 altogether in federal tax, and let's say you get a refund of, say, $5,000, right? Just on a regular tax return, if you were to add that Schedule C, you could probably double your refund or even triple your refund. You could probably even get all your federal money back that you paid during the year of your job. This is the benefit here, because if you just have a family property, you can't do this. You can't take advantage of the expenses as well as the depreciation in the same kind of way. So when it comes to a one family, you pretty much can only write off the mortgage interest and the property tax. With a commercial property, you can write off the mortgage interest, the property tax, all of the losses that come with the business, and that all goes against your gross income that you have made, maybe in a job or working a 9 to 5, or even in a business, which either will double or triple your refund, your tax refund, or cut your losses by your tax liability by 3/4, right? This is the benefit of having a commercial property versus just, say, a one family. So again, when you go to buy your next property, think of getting a commercial property. Think of getting a 2-family, 3-family. There's a lot more benefits tax-wise and just income-wise. Okay, guys, that's the video for today. It's a bit windy out here, but I'm going to keep giving you more information. Again, if you need to get in contact with me, on TikTok, hit the link in the bio. If you're on YouTube, hit the link below. See you guys later.